will probably start the show. I'm sure you are all excited.
Carbon dioxide gas. What is the way that I can show you the carbon dioxide gas? What is it?
Dry ice.
Dry ice. So I've collected all the gas which you just exhaled, and under high pressure and temperature, I make it into a stone, and that stone is nothing else but it is dry ice. Now can anyone of you tell me a normal difference between ice and dry ice? Tell me anything. Yes. Okay, one by one. Yes. Very good. A big round of applause for this guy. Super. Very nice. Yes, what were you saying? One second. Okay, super. So he said that it is made up of carbon dioxide gas. So all the gas which you take that gas and I'm going to put it inside. Are we all ready?
Yes.
So what do we say? Everybody together. We love science. Come on. We love science. So let's try it out. The first experiment for today, and all the gas is right out. And let's see what happens if I put it on her head. Can you see all the gases being captured on the hair? Is she becoming an old lady with a white hair? Yeah? Everybody wants to try it out? How does it look like? Can you see this? Yeah? So you want to come in? You can join in. Thank you. You can run a little so that all my attendants can make sure that they are having fun. और जिसको ज़्यादा ही कुछ ये करना है तो मेरे पास आ जाओ, मैं नीचे नहीं हूँ।
Students, make sure you arm गिर जाएगा तो you will get hurt.
I know everything is very exciting, but these are all disciplined kids who are quickly coming in and going. Quick, next. Okay. White. Because my dry ice is not mixing with the water. This is a gas which I have converted into. What color smoke is going to come out? Ah, this is great. This is what I wanted. Good. So now if I want to capture the smoke, मुझे ये smoke को capture करना है. Okay, if I want to capture into a, you said balloon, let me see if I have that. Something else?
Beaker.
और कोई? Into a beaker, it's already into a conical flask. It's into a container. Closed container. That's a good idea. So I want to try this. So hold this and let me try it into a closed container. Can I try it in this?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
तो फिर कैसे कैप्चर करेंगे? You said a container, no? Balloon. If you have balloon, then I can try. किसके पास जेब में balloon रखा है? नहीं. So we can't try because I've not got it. Okay. So now I want to take this and I want to try. Can I cover the lid?
Yes. No.
Before doing the experiment, tell me what will happen if I cover the lid?
This.
Yes.
It will blast because of the pressure.
It will blast because of the pressure. Have you tried Diwali bombs?
Yes.
हाँ, ये mini blast है. It will not act like a Diwali thing, but let's try it out. Wow, it does. Because of air.
Pressure.
Because of air.
Pressure.
So can you tell me one example where we use air pressure daily? जहाँ रोज use करते हैं. Even parents can get involved. Air pressure in cooker. खाना रोज किससे बनता है? Air pressure से. And anything else? कोई तो vehicle से आए होगे आप.
हवा भरने के लिए.
हवा भरने के लिए. Your tires. Tires. Because inside what happens is air. Again, one more thing which is very important. अगर जो वो नहीं होता life में, तो आप जिंदा नहीं. In your body, you take in air and you release out carbon dioxide. So if there is no air in your body, क्या होता है पता है? बाहर की जो हवा है आपको दबा देती. Because of air pressure, आप पिछड़ जाते हैं. ओके, अब जल्दी जल्दी लेना, नीचे गिरना नहीं चाहिए. ऑल द पीपल प्लीज टेक इट अ लिटिल क्विक. नीचे गिरना नहीं चाहिए, स्लिपरी हो जाए. I have your specific ingredient, that is dry ice. I have some water and I have a pipe. Can you tell me how will I do that? कैसे करूँगी मैं? You tell me. I can put the dry ice in the container and take a pipe out of it. Super, best. So I want to like that activity. And any other answer? You want to answer this? No. Any other answers? Anybody else? आधे से ज़्यादा हाथ थोड़े कैमरा के साथ है तो मुझे लग रहा है कोई जवाब देने के लिए हाथ उठा कर रहा है. Okay, so that's great, that's pretty. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to try the same act with using a pipe. Okay. Okay, now these kids go ahead and that. Did your hands get a little wet when I was trying to do that experiment? Now you want the air pressure around it decreases. So Bernoulli's principle makes us understand how aeroplanes fly. पता चल गया? How aeroplanes fly? अगर जो विमान है, the aeroplane
मैम आपको कुछ सुना नहीं ना? All okay?
All okay, are you sure? So was this a real fire? Acknowledging this art, did we create an impact? Do you like science now? Yes! Trying out science in a hands-on way is a good thing? So this is all we have in this institute, where all the experiments, where all the subjects are taken into consideration और वो practically पढ़ाते हैं, ठीक है? And they're all math scientists to help them out in making sure that all the kids are learning the best of science. So we are all from math scientists and we are very, very happy to get collab with this aspirant institute and then get started. So now let's go with the clouds and on the count of 3, 2, 1. Now all the kids can make a mess and come ahead. आगे आ जा सकते हैं.
आराम से आराम से आराम से आराम से